Hi, I'm Ollie, president of 123 Solar. This is our latest version of the 1.3 kilowatt solar power generator. What we've done on this version 2 model is we've actually changed the configuration, making all the circuit breakers and connection points outside of the control box, so it's actually easier to install. Let me show you. In order to access the controls and the circuit breakers, we first have to pull out this outrigger. When it's in, you can't open the door. So make sure you pull the outrigger out, and let's get into it. So this is our control panel. We have our circuit breakers for the battery and the solar, along with the battery shutoff. We've got our 48 volt output connector with the circuit breakers associated with the 48 volt output connector. Let's turn it on. Turning on the system is pretty simple. We just turn our battery on, and then we have our first circuit breaker, which is for the battery, then for the solar panels. And our system connects here. This is our display for the charger. And then we connect our cable in, and we have our circuit breaker A. This is for our A line and B line. Again, like some of the other units that we have, if there is a problem where it takes too long to connect, don't worry. You can just open up the control panel, disconnect the RJ45, reconnect the RJ45 back in. They'll say welcome, connecting, and then go directly to your power display. This 48 volt system is pretty simple. Just plug it in, turn it on. Options are available where we can add an inverter in as well. It doesn't get any easier than 123 Solar. Thanks for watching.